Okay, I have McDonald's, a Big Mac, Junior chicken sandwich, small fries, and I have some onion rings and a pickle spear left over from before. So I'm gonna be eating this today because I'm not feeling good and I need something. I don't know what's going on with me right now, for real. Like, I'm definitely PMSing. Yesterday, I started crying from listening to the Pocahontas song. I was like crying a lot too. I was in like little tears. I was crying a lot because the song was so beautiful that I couldn't contain my tears for some reason. And I felt like it was touching me. You know, and then today, like, I just feel extra bad and extra ugly. Like, I just can't. Oh, fuck. Ah! No! Why? Man, okay. I think it's fine. I'm gonna have an onion ring. But yeah, I just feel really bad for some reason. I'm tired. The weather is actually so nice right now too. It's like perfect, especially after having like a couple weeks of just hell and humidity. Wow. Yeah, the Big Mac is always, what am I saying? The Big Mac is always so good. I'm dipping it in blue cheese because that's what I have right now. But yeah, I don't know. I hate when I start PMSing this. Like, I just feel bad and tired and ugly for no reason, you know? It's not fair.
It's not.
Yeah, I mean, by all means, I think I look probably exactly the same as I always do, but for some reason, when I'm PMSing, I feel like, damn, why do I have to look like this? I wake up and I just feel like, unsatisfied. And all of a sudden, I'm just like, I gotta fix a bunch of stuff, and then I get all depressed because I can't fix it. And then I'm like, I tell my boyfriend, you better make a lot of money so I can get like plastic surgery. And then I have all these crazy thoughts, like, and then they just go away as soon as I stop PMSing. But when I'm PMSing, it feels so real that I, like, internally, I can't tell really until it's over. And then I'm like, oh wow, I guess I was PMSing. Well, fries are good. I love McDonald's fries. I'm sorry. Just, I don't even know. I know I cannot be eating McDonald's. Like, I really do know that. And I feel really, like, I don't know. I really wanted this though. I'm so sorry. I know it's really bad. I don't know. I'm not even gonna say anything about that. Like, I already feel bad. I just need to enjoy something right now. Or is it, didn't someone like say you can put the chicken in here and then it's like a McGangbang or something? I don't know. Or I don't know, maybe I saw it online. That's a terrible name though.
It is.
A McGangbang, oh my god. That just brings like bad visuals to me. Right? Like Ronald McDonald with that that bird thingy and then that purple thing. I don't even know what they're called. And then the Hamburglar. Remember, you know who the Hamburglar is? Well, I don't know if that's his name, but he's the guy with the robbery costume. You know the Hamburglar? Baby?
Uh-huh.
The Hamburglar. No? Is that his name? You know who I'm talking about though, right? That guy.
He was stealing ham.
No, he was stealing the burgers, I think. I mean, I'm guessing, right? You know the guy from the McDonald's dude who has like that, like, criminal outfit on?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that guy. What's his name? You know? What?
Onion rings.
Mm-hmm. It's good, huh? It's crunchy. Did you try the pickle spears? Anyway, yeah, I'm feeling, I don't know, I just feel so weird. Which makes me sad too because today's such a nice day. Like, I really want to be feeling good and like walking a lot today and like being active. Well, it's like I'm just zapped of energy. I just feel hungry. I'm tired.
The PMS.
Yeah, so my boyfriend says it's PMS. I mean, I agree with him this time. Like,
Finally.
well, the Pocahontas thing really sealed it for me. I mean, that was a little intense. Like, I was really crying a lot from hearing the song. I mean, it's a good song, but
That was yesterday.
I know.
And you were saying you were not PMSing today.
I know. Today, I didn't feel like I was PMSing. I just felt like I woke up ugly. That's what it felt like. Like I woke up and then nothing was going the way it should. Like my hair was all ugly. And then like, I don't know, just my clothes, I just felt like it looked bad on me. I really love the Big Mac, so good. Mini onion ring. I really wish they had an In-N-Out here though. In-N-Out, I think, is the best like chain burger place, right? I think it's the best one. Baby. You think it's the best one, In-N-Out?
It might be Five Guys too, but I don't know.
No, but
For the price? Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
like I think In-N-Out is better because it's a better price and like the hamburger is just so simple and really good. I mean, you can't beat it for that price and like the freshness.
You're super right. Yeah.
And the double is so soft, like the meat. It just melts in your mouth with the cheese and everything. Like, I don't even know.
Damn, this-
Oh, fuck.
This Big Mac feels like
What?
it's not big at all.
Yeah, I know. It looks smaller than usual. My hamburger got all fucked up. Okay. Well, this is really messy. I still think that actually the small fries is quite a lot. I know there's two, but yeah, I don't know. I don't think I can finish both of them. You know what? Even though the Big Mac kind of looks small, I still always feel full afterwards. Like, I always think I can eat more and then I can't. Right? Or no, not for you. You can eat more though. You can eat a lot.
Yeah.
Man, I guess I was hungry. I was pretty hungry. We really didn't walk around a lot today. I mean, but then again, you woke up early and worked out, so that might be why.
Yeah, all by myself.
Mm-hmm. Oh, this is pretty good. You want to try it?
It's cute.
It's a McChicken. The mayo is in there. It makes it taste really good. Right? Wow.
Finish it.
There is a lot of mayo in there. I guess that makes it taste good. Right? I don't really like mayo.
Yeah.
No, actually, no, I do. I do like mayo on like sandwiches and burgers and stuff. But the thought of a lot of mayo kind of grosses me out. But damn, it does taste good, right? This was really good. I mean, it was gross. Like, it's McDonald's was bad, but it's really good. I don't know what it is. Like, honestly, not like even, I don't even really like McDonald's that much. I never really liked it that much. But their Big Mac is so unique tasting to me. With their fake meat patty and like their bread, like all the bread and the sauce. I don't know. I just like it. It tastes good. You know what I mean? Oh shit. tired. Now we gotta like walk again. Right? Did you try the McDouble yet?
You want to try?
No.
You don't?
I'm full. I'm really full. I don't even know why I keep eating this. Like, I mean, it tastes good, I guess. I'm done. I think I'm too full now. I pretty much ate everything though. Yeah. Well, it kind of looks like I didn't eat that many fries, but I really did. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. I'm done eating now. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys are having a better day and weekend. I'm like eating something delicious. And also I hope I made you guys hungry, because that's what I just like doing that. I want people to be jealous of what I'm eating.
Why?
I don't know. I guess because I get jealous when I see other people eating.
What do you mean jealous?
Like, oh man, I want that. Is that called jealousy? I don't know.
No, not really.
Oh, then what is that called?
I don't know, like some basic desire?
Well, whatever it's called. Yep, so that's it. I'm gonna go now. Hopefully I stop PMSing because I don't like it. Ew. Okay, bye.